This is a video tour of the Imagine 2700 BS. Definitely an awesome new option from the Imagine and Grand Design team here. Heading on in, solid set of entry steps, ABS brakes like we're used to, but just an absolute great floor plan. So you got tons of space in this main area, unbelievable amount of space, nice big theater seating option right here. You got a fridge to keep everything nice and cold, which is great. Tons of counter space throughout. And probably my favorite feature right here, you've got your TV, can come up and down. This also can flip up and give you an actual dedicated desk space to work at, or even a nice dinette space. Tons of storage throughout, like I mentioned. You got these nice big drawers here, soft close cabinets. Look at that, even some slide outs to help keep everything nice and organized and easy to access as well. Lots of storage space, like I mentioned, along the top here. Huge bathroom as well with that mid-bath setup. So you had a nice big shower there with a skylight to let in lots of natural light. Our toilet with lots of storage space here along the other side. Again, just a great amount of storage in these units. Finally, down at the back, kind of a cool situation with your east to west bed setup. So nice big bed option here. Keep everyone nice and comfortable. Got that little flip up shelf as well, where it can fold down and just add to the look of that back slash. Definitely some great storage options for all your clothes. Probably my favorite thing about it, which would make this an awesome unit if you're heading down south. You got some great cabinets right there, as well as this whole bank of cabinets along the far side here too. So just look at it all. You'll notice it's also washer dryer prep. So this is where the dryer would go. This is where your washer would go, right there, or clothing storage as well. And then that still leaves you with this nice big main one here with some fold up chairs as well. So definitely a great option if you're heading down south, or if you just need a little bit of extra space when you're towing around and even need that extra space to do some work. So another great Imagine floor plan coming out to you soon.